Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Yesterday, I have seen a news item in the Hindu. Before starting the video, let me tell you a small story. That was the year 2008. I was working as SDPO Rajamandri. And the bungalow, of course, is a sprawling bungalow of 5 acres in which only my bungalow is located. The other land is only green grass, beautiful developed land. And by the side of my bungalow, the bungalow of DIG of Prisons is located. And quite opposite, that is on the eastern side, on the other side of the road, the women's prison, central prison Rajamandri, which is a very landmark place, is located. And my wife, after joining the bungalow, maybe after 2 or 3 days, one day in the morning, when we were taking coffee by sitting in the lobby, my wife said, "Oh, those people, the criminals are absconding, they are crossing the roads, you see." And I told them, no, they are not. They are crossing the road only to go to the house of the DIG, to go to the house of the warden to do their household chores, just like our orderlies. What is this? He is a criminal. He is in dress. What happens? Don't be afraid. They are good people. They don't go here. I think you have understood. Same thing happened yesterday in Tamilnadu, in Raivallu. Right. The news item says DIG R.Rajalakshmi of Prisons Department, Raivallu. Then Additional Superintendent of Police Abdul Rahman. Then her PSO, Mr. Raju, Personal Security Officer Mr. Raju, Additional SP. Then Mr. Jailer Anil Kumaran, and 10 PCs. All of them were suspended. What for? This you have to know. For utilizing the services of the life convicts, for allotting them to do the daily course in the house of the DIG Rajalakshmi. You might have understood the essence. So here, please remember, they are life convicts. One convict by name Kumar, he was asked to go and do the daily course in the house of Rajalakshmi. Okay. If that would be the case, things would have been different. But recently, an amount of 4.5 lakhs has been missing from the house of Rajalakshmi. Therefore, this man was beaten, he was harassed, he was tortured, and not that. In the jail, he was put in solitary confinement for about a couple of months. Ultimately, the matter reached the Mother Kalavathi. Kalavathi, along with the advice of the advocate Pugalendi, she approached the Honorable High Court of Madras and she filed a writ petition about the incidents of taking or using the services of the life convicts for the daily course in the houses of the officers. Justice S.M. Subramaniam and Justice Subramaniam and Shivagnanam, they took the issue very seriously, and what they have done is, they have directed the Chief Judicial Magistrate of Vellore to visit the spot, to conduct a spot inquiry, to record the statements, send back the report. Accordingly, he has complied with the instructions, and stunning report, shocking report, that this man Shivakumar is used as a slave in the house of the DIG. And he was tortured like anything. He was put in solitary confinement, which are totally against the spirit of the Constitution. Jails are there in the Reformation theory to make the people to reform themselves and join the mainstream of the society. But here they are being used as slaves. How bad it is. The High Court took it very seriously and trusted the matter to the CBCID for investigation. The CBCID of Tamilnadu state, they have booked these people. They registered a case under different sections of law. Number 127 present, because we have to deal with Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. 127 clause 8, that is wrongful confinement. 146 unlawful labor. Then 115 clause 2, voluntarily causing hurt. 116 voluntarily causing grievous hurt. And also section 49, because the others, PS1, they have abetted the offense. And here you have to know the rule number also. Prison Manual, rule number 447, which says the prisoners should at no cost be allowed to go outside. But here they are allowed to go outside into the house of or into the residence of the DIG and do the regular or ordinary course. Rule 47, yes. So this is the problem. Now, DIG, she was booked. Today or tomorrow, arrest also may affect. Then how bad it is. Why don't you get your work done? Why don't you engage a coolie or labor to do the daily course? So now, my wife is laughing. When I told her yesterday, see, this is the thing happened. About 16 years back, you have seen the incident, it is still repeating. So such things should not be there. We have to appreciate the efforts of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Vellore, and also the Honorable High Court of Madras, particularly the two judges, for coming to the rescue and keeping the human rights of the civilian, maybe a prisoner. He has got his own rights, is it not? Right? So please read the news item and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.